Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made this video on how to make this chain, and I thought this would be a really good chain to put into a circle, and it came out really good. I mean, the only really bent part is the chain right there. I mean, it looks outstanding, and if we, do a lot with this and make another chain inside of it, maybe rotate it 10 degrees, you could get a pretty neat effect. So I've been doing a lot of videos on putting stuff on a curve with the envelope tool. So I'm going to make an ellipse and make it pretty big, and then Control D, and then hold down your Shift key and bring it in. Get a 2-point line, holding down the Control key to make it perpendicular, and then hit P. I'm going to rotate it 10.1 degrees. And then I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to mirror it. What that did, that gave me a bigger envelope, and you'll see why in just a second. I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 10 inches. I'm going to smart fill this with the smart fill tool, nudge that over, and I'm going to left click, right click. And then I'm going to take my link that I made, and if you don't know how I made this, watch part one. It's not really I didn't call it part one because I didn't know I was going to make a second video, but it's got the same name with the exception of the part two. Grab your link, go up to effects and envelope, open up the envelope docker right here. It's create envelope from that form. Now take that and hold down the shift and select that shape and then hit EC. I'm going to try to grab my frame and move it out of the way, and I'm going to nudge this back. Now, if you hold down your Alt key and swipe through here, anything the Alt key touches will erase it. Now, remember I did it 10.1 degrees, which is really 20.2, but I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate alternate C to make it rotate from the center. And I'm already at 90 degrees because I moved that link around. So I'm going to go plus 20 degrees. And look at that. I'll have no joint because I'm actually going past it just a hair. Let me see if I can't move it just a little bit. You can see there, that's how much I'm going past, and they happen just to meet. And then Control D, alternate C. We're still at a weird deal. I'm just going to go, I know it's 130. If you don't know, you could just add 20. Control D all the way around. And just, I like to add a little bit to this. If we delete these and use the transformation docker, this, you just need to, don't make a duplicate of it, just alternate C to have it rotate from the center. And then open up the Windows Dockers transform. Yours might say transformation. And I'm going to get to the rotation. I'm going to rotate it 20 degrees. And I need 17. I really need 18, but I've already got a copy. Whenever Corel says copies, make one less copy. And then that way you didn't have to Control D. It's a lot faster, especially if you've already got that Docker open, or if you were going to do another one, it would still be set. Anyway, hope that gave you a little bit of information, and thank you for watching.